A really cool 50 when it really mattered against Scotland. India back in the race with me, KL Rahul. KL, very, very well played. After the first two games, what is the conversation between you and the team?
Look, I think it's quite clear and quite straightforward what we need to do to give ourselves a chance to qualify. Yes, the first two games didn't go as well as we would have wanted. So yeah, it has hurt the team, and it's not something the fans expect or what we expect out of ourselves. We've set a very high standard over the last 4 or 5 years. So it was a bit of a shock for all of us, but yeah, I mean this is sport. This is what happens sometimes. Sometimes you need to take the lows along with the highs as well. So that was a chat, and I mean, I don't think anybody can question the passion or the dedication of the team or any individual, because we've this is what we've done all our lives, and this is what we wanted to do, and World Cup is a big opportunity, and playing cricket is what we love. So it did hurt us. So I mean, we had to pick ourselves up, and like I said, it was quite clear. So we tried to go out there and up our run rate and beat Scotland as early as possible, and really happy with the victory.
In the last game against Afghanistan and this one, you and Rohit looked on song. It was almost like watching a band play in really good rhythm. Do you prepare differently when the chips are against you?
Not really. I think every game the mindset remains the same. The process and whatever rituals every batsman has, it remains more or less the same. But with games like the last two, like I said, it was very clear what we had to do. We had to try and up our run rate, so it becomes quite clear for the batter to go out there and try and start as early as possible to hit boundaries. And and I enjoy batting with Rohit, and I think any team in the world depends on their openers to give them a solid start and get your team off to a flyer. And more often than not, we've done that, and a couple of times it hasn't come off. So we take that in our stride, and like I said, those two games did hurt us. Then the next two games were it was clear. So we went out there, enjoyed ourselves, and happy that we could get the runs for the team.
India truly well and alive. There are a couple of more games that are really important. Some that you all are playing, some that you all are watching, and hoping the result goes in our favour. What's the roadmap going ahead for you guys?
It's quite straightforward. I think keeping our fingers crossed for the Afghanistan and New Zealand game. That's no-brainer. So we'll all be glued to the television and watching the game and cheering. I don't really know. It's a tough one. You can't pick a team there. But yeah, we'll hope for the best result for Team India, and then we know what we have to do in the game on the 8th against Namibia. So yeah, fingers crossed from now on.
Right, fingers crossed. All the best, and thank you very much, Rahul. Keep playing well. Thank you.